Hello everyone, welcome to the Web Security Academy series, and in this video we will be covering the 2FA simple bypass lab. So in this lab they have provided us username and password, winner and Peter, and also we have access to the winner's 2FA verification. Now objective of this lab is to log in as a Carlos account and bypass the Carlos 2FA verification. Now let us access this web page and let me go to the my account section. So now I'll log in as a winner. And I'll see the request and response in the Bob suite. So this is my first request, that is winner and Peter, and let me just highlight it. And this is the second request response, and this is the third request response. Now I need to give the 4-digit verification code, that is the 2FA code. Now let me access the email client, and our 2FA code is 0202. Go back. 0202 and login. So we have logged in as a winner account. This is the 2FA verification section, and let me just highlight it so that it's easy for us to understand. And this section, that is request number 311 to 319, is our email access, so I'll not consider this for this lab. Now let us understand what exactly happened during the login process. Now this is our first request, and in this request client has sent a post login request with the username and password. So when the username and password both are correct, now server responded with the 302 and it's provided a new URL or a new location along with the session cookie. Now in the second request, now client is requesting to the same URL get login to, and also added the session cookie that is provided by the server. Now here the server has responded with the 2FA page. Enter your 4-digit security code. And if I see the next request and response, here client is requesting to update to the WebSocket protocol, and server has responded with the 101 WebSocket protocol. And after that, if you see the request number 320, here the client has requested with the MFA code, and when the MFA code is correct, now server has responded to the, again 302 with a new location, that is my account ID equal to winner, and with a new set of session cookie. And in the next request response, the client is requested for the new URL, that is get my account ID equal to winner, along with it has provided the session cookie, and the server has responded. And the next one, if you see, this is nothing but your WebSocket application. Now in order to log into the Carlos account, now we have our Carlos username and password. That means I can execute these 3 steps, but we don't have access to the Carlos 2FA account, so that's why we cannot execute these 3 steps. Now here we need to check in the process of 2FA verification whether the server is really verifying the 2FA mechanism or not. To validate that, let me log into the Carlos account. My account, Carlos, and the password. So these are the 3 login requests for the Carlos. Let me highlight it. Now I need to provide the 2FA verification code, but I don't have the 2FA verification code for the Carlos. Now what we can do, if you see in the last one for the winner, once winner has provided the correct MFA code, it is redirected to the new email URL, that is my account ID equals to winner. If this particular steps is not validated properly, whether winner is login or Carlos is login, then we can bypass it. Now in order to do that, let me just try to change the URL here. Instead of login, I will write my account and ID equals to Carlos. See, we are able to log in as a Carlos account, and that solves the lab. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.